What is up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to link your Amazon Prime to Twitch. So first step is make sure that you have both accounts. So you'll need an active Amazon Prime subscription and a Twitch account. And if you don't have a Twitch account yet, just simply go to twitch.tv and sign up. Then step 2 is visit Prime Gaming. So open your preferred browser and go to gaming.amazon.com to access Prime Gaming. After that, step 3, log into Amazon. So sign in using your Amazon details and click the profile icon on the top right corner to double check that you're logged in. The next is connect your Twitch account. So look for the option labeled link Twitch account or manage Twitch account. Then just simply click on it, then sign in with your Twitch credentials when asked. After that is authorize the connection. So follow the prompts to grant access and authorize the link. Once completed, you'll get a confirmation message that your accounts are now connected. Next is check the connection. So head over to your Twitch account settings and under the connections tab, you should now see Amazon listed as a connected service. So here is what you can unlock with Prime Gaming. So a free Twitch channel sub every month, exclusive loot and in-game bonuses, and ad-free viewing and unique chat badges. And here are some tips and for troubleshooting. So stick to official websites for every step to keep your log info safe. And if something's not working, try clearing your browser cache or turning off any extensions. And that's basically it, guys. I'll see you on the next one.